The oceans, a lifeline of this planet, and an object of curiosity, of adventure. So, of course, I had to experience it. And what better than diving in the Andamans? Hello. Welcome to a new vlog on Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So right now I'm in Port Blair, which is the capital, and I'm headed towards Neil Island. The ferry from Port Blair to Neil Island takes about 2 hours to reach. I chose to try the government ferry, which costs about 1,000 rupees. It was surprisingly pretty neat and comfortable, and also was air conditioned. And I am aboard the ship. Just look at the water. And just tomorrow I'm gonna be in this water for my scuba diving course. My god. And we finally reached Neil Island 6 to 7 hours after our journey started towards Andaman. This is my room, which is pretty decent for 2.5k I got because of the weekend. So it's a pretty clean room, I would say. And for one person, this bed is like even too much huge. So yeah. On day 1 of the course, you're taught the basic skills of breathing through your mask, cleaning it, equalizing the pressure around your ears, and how to properly use the fins. The water was murky today, but still, we could spot some fishes. That's the thing about learning to dive here and with slow travel, that you see the mornings are in seas, and by afternoon you're exploring the tiny island. On the next day, I was made to wear a compass and a dive computer. You also get to try on different types of fins in the course. This was a day of learning to use the fins in the exact angles required to maintain buoyancy and mainly to not touch the seabed or its surroundings. We had to check the amount of oxygen every 5 minutes or so and report to the instructor. There are 200 bars of oxygen in one cylinder. But I mean, just look at the fishes. The pattern, the coordination, the colors. How can one not be mesmerized by these? This one particularly was the most satisfyingly therapeutic video that I have captured. So after that lunch, which was okay, so to say, actually it was a bit spicy for me, but I'm here at Sitapur Beach. This is another beautiful beach in Neil Island. Sadly, I'm just too tired right now to go explore the beach completely, but you can see the greens and blues very prominently, sorry. But yeah, so after today's dive that you have seen, I'm somehow still stuck in that dimension, I would say, and it's like I don't want to come out of that dream of the fishes just swimming with me, but me swimming with the fishes. And so yeah, I really need to take some rest now. That's the reason I'm not doing the adventure activities of exploring the beach. But yeah, now tomorrow will be my last day, and yeah, that's it. This island life of just sitting by the beach, reading, observing, unwinding, well, it kind of seems surreal yet necessary at that stage of my life. Just sipping black tea, pondering life, what went wrong, what's going right. You know, nature truly is the greatest source of introspection. And then finally, on the last day, I was independently diving with my buddy in even high current, murkier waters. I couldn't stop feeling victorious that hey, that girl who pukes every dive can finally navigate and tread with ease. It was very rewarding. Since the water was a bit blurrish that day, this was the only footage I could manage to get of the corals, which looked like a civilization frozen in time. I also managed to smile with my eyes in this all of this. So I'm presently at Lakshman Nagar 1 beach, and this is the view. The sea is pretty far from here, and yeah, it is much cleaner, I would say, but still you can see some trash over there. But yeah, this is the sunset beach, they call it. But although the sunset is very far from here, and surprisingly it's very crowded right now. So currently I'm at the point where in 1943 Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose had hoisted the tricolour to declare that Andaman is a part of India. So you can see the flag. It's a vibe there. I just came back from there, and it's a nice vibe. Definitely I'll be going back tomorrow for sure. Good morning from Port Blair. It's around 10 o'clock right now. I'm having a very chill morning for a change, and I'm outside Cellular Jail. It's the last day of the year, and I wanted to end this year on towards gratitude to those who gave us this freedom. And what better place than Cellular Jail? Cellular Jail is an important part of our history. Every Indian should visit this place to give their gratitude to those freedom fighters who struggled here to give us an independent nation. This jail humbles you, horrifies you, and makes you feel so small in front of those whose ideas transformed this nation. So after a quick costume change, I am at Corbin's Cove. You can see the view. Although this is a sunrise point, I'm here at sunset. It looks decent, I mean. Good morning from a brand new year. Currently, I'm still in Port Blair, and I just happened to see one plane landing and one plane taking. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better start to this year. Watching what I love doing, that is traveling. So yes, also nothing more to say actually. This whole trip has been a reality check, I would say. Quite a lot of introspection and many more things to say. As I sit at this beautiful spot, I can't be more grateful for coming to this part of India and learning this important skill, this skill that allows me to be in the most peaceful place on planet Earth. Thank you for watching.